with more.
All right, thank you, John. Yeah, Carol is back now to make a lovely Valentine's Day cake. This is so pretty. I'm excited to make this today.
It is, and it's a no-bake. I have a cup of sour cream. We'll put a package of instant vanilla pudding.
Okay,
and then
mix
a cup
that.
and a half of milk.
Okay.
And then I chose almond flavoring, but you can use vanilla if you like. And then you just kind of whip that up together.
Okay, now would you use a electric mixer for this or by hand?
Yeah.
Does it matter?
It doesn't really matter. And this one, if you do
Oh,
that,
it goes up and down.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then what you do is I purchased an angel food cake, but you can make your own. But purchased ones, they're pretty economical.
Then it's no bake.
Then it's no bake. And then I spread almost all of my, like 2/3 of the cherry pie filling over these cake crumbs.
Oh, okay.
And then if you'll hand me the other cake crumbs there, I'll put the rest of those over.
And it's just one can of the cherry?
Yeah, just one can of cherry pie filling. And I was skeptical at first until I made it, and I go, it does work. And we'll
spread that out.
Spread that out, and then we'll pour our pudding over.
Okay. There you go.
And then after you do all, then you'll put your Cool Whip over, and then you let it set for a little while. And we'll just scrape that out there real quick and spread it out and make it all nice and smooth.
Okay.
And then we'll put our Cool Whip on.
And then you put it in the fridge for how long?
A couple hours. I had mine in overnight.
Oh.
And but a couple hours. So and even the pudding sets up pretty fast. So if you have something, you need something right away, you know, probably an hour would be good enough. It kind of, you'd want to serve it in a dish. It wouldn't cut quite as nice, but it sure would be tasty if you had to, somebody was coming or you needed a quick dessert.
That's what I was thinking. If you know some guests are coming or maybe you need something for a school function, this would be super fast.
Yes. And then you can garnish it, as you can see on these, you can garnish it with
extra
the rest
cherries,
of the cherry pie filling.
And some almonds on top?
Yeah, I put some almonds and some maraschino cherries and just kind of dress it up. It's to make it festive.
This looks great. I'm going to give it a try here, Carol.
Make it look like the magazine pictures, right?
It does. I love it. Let's try it. It's so good. It's very light, too. I like angel food anyway.
Yeah, it is so light, and I was pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, okay. Well, this recipe is already on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. So, Carol, thank you.
Well, thanks so much for having me, and it's fun. Always fun.
You know, Valentine's Day, Friday night, you can eat in and enjoy this, all right?